Next go to types of functions. Types of functions. The first one is explicit function. Explicit function. If f is a real function, with a domain A, contains a real number x, then there exists a unique real number, y such that y is equal to f of x, Here x is independent variable, comma y is a dependent variable, and the relation is of the form, y is equal to f of x, and the relation is of the form y is equal to f of x is called an explicit function. Explicit function, that is, some example, y is equal to x square, y is equal to log x, comma y is equal to root x. If f is a real function with a domain A contains real number x, then there exists unique real number y such that y is equal to f of x. Here x is called independent variable and y is called dependent variable, and the relation is of the form y is equal to f of x is called an explicit function. And next one is implicit function. If the relation between independent variable x and dependent variable y is of the form f of x comma y equal to 0, then the function is called implicit function. Suppose examples, x power 4 plus x square y square plus y power 4 is equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus 1 equal to 0 are the examples of implicit function. And next one is even function. If the function f mapping from R to R, comma f of minus x equal to x for all x belongs to R, f of minus x equal to f of x, for all x belongs to R, then f is said to be an even function. Some examples, f of x is equal to x square, comma f of x is equal to cos x. Here my f of minus x is minus x whole square, that is equal to x square, that is equal to f of x. Here f of minus x equal to cos of minus theta, that means when minus x belongs to fourth quadrant, cos is positive, f of x equal to cos x. And next one is odd function. odd function. If the function of mapping from A to R, if the function of mapping from A to R is said to be an odd function, then f of minus x equal to minus f of x for all x belongs to A. For all x belongs to A. Example is f of x is equal to x cube, comma f of x is equal to sin x. F of x is equal to sin x. And next one is exponential function. If the function of mapping from R to R is said to be exponential function, then f of x is equal to a power x for all a belongs to R comma a is greater than 0. For all a belongs to R comma a is greater than 0. Graphs of exponential function. F of x is equal to a power x when a is greater than 0. Y is equal to a power x when 0 less than a less than 1.